There's a crazy lightning storm outside. Hello, my friends. If I get struck by lightning, this video will go viral, but perhaps it won't because I'll be dead and it will never get posted. So, part 2 of working off of the C major scale. So in the last video, it's part 1, I showed you the C major scale, okay, which is right here. Look on the GoPro up close. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I'm playing the root on the C. The root, the C on the A on the 3rd fret. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We all learn the major scale, okay? Fine and dandy like candy, but if we don't actually learn, like, what's the end game in actually doing this? So the end game is this. So here's kind of what we're trying to go for, okay? Watch this. It's just a C, F, G chord progression. I'm getting pretty good at talking while playing. Messes with the brain. Okay? So, intervals. So what we're doing is we're building intervals. So this is part 2. I have to give this to you in tiny chunks, let you connect the dots. Just saw some lightning out the window. Pray for me. Okay, now, today we're going to do a major 3rd interval. So that's the 3rd note out of the C major scale. So look real closely on the GoPro. Whoosh, here we go. C, D, E. So 1, 2, 3. So there it is. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to play it like this. We're going to play it like this. Keep looking on the GoPro, and then I'm going to come back to you and throw the chord chart up. Watch this. So C to E. So remember, small chunks. This video will not be 4 hours long. It's going to be quick. You're smart. You're all smart. You're good players. You're learning. You got this. C to E. Major 3rd, okay? So the major 3rd is here. I'm just playing the octave of that. So I'm getting it right here. That's what I'm doing. When you see me in this C shape, first of all, I'm playing the octave. I talked about that in the last video. Go watch that if you haven't already, okay? That's the foundation of this house we're building, okay? So C to C. So I'm going to octave like this. C. See if you can get that going. There's our major 3rd. Here's the chord chart. Well, it's not even a chord chart. It's not a chord. Gotcha. So C to E is a major 3rd. So there's the interval. That's where you put your fingers, okay? You can use your 3rd. I like using my 3rd because in the next video I'm going to show you this one. So here's all of them just for fun. So we've got our octave, major 3rd, which is what we're working on right now. Next video is going to be the 4th. After that, major 2nd, and then we're going to do a 5th. And then the next couple videos I'm going to show you intervals in the F chord and the G chord. So we're not playing it like this. We're not going C, F, G, which sounds cool. I muffed it there. Happens. Just don't let the train stop. All right, so C to C. Here's what I want you to work on, okay? Back to the GoPro, watch this. I want you to work on getting the octave and doing the major 3rd back to the octave. You gotta piece this all together slowly. Major 3rd to the octave. An octave is C to C, which is what I'm doing right here. We always learn the octave first for some reason. Wish my teachers would have shown me these intervals. You failed me. Thought I figured it out on my own. Actually, no, thank you, John Frusciante from the Chili Peppers. When you were playing that song, of Scar Chase, I was like, what is he doing there? Okay? So, real simple, okay? C to E, major 3rd, okay? So, when all's said and done, this little series that you're going to watch every video because you love our channel, you're going to be able to do this. On the GoPro, here's what it looks like. Real slow. That's octave, and I taught you the major 3rd, okay? So, but here's the whole thing we're going to learn. Hear that thunder out there? My life's almost over. All right, so drop me a comment. Shoot me a question, tell me how bad or how good this video is. I'm making these for you. That's my biggest passion, is to help you become an amazing player. I don't care what skill level you are, you can always get better, all right? So check out the links in the description. Those are all the things I use on the channel. Really help support me if you want to buy a pack of picks. I think I make like 88 cents in commissions, but hey, I'll put it to good use. I promise to sink it back in and keep growing this channel, all right? So here's another video for you to watch. Now, I haven't made the next video yet, which is going to be the 4th. It's called a perfect 4th, okay? Okay, so that's the next one. It's either going to be that one or it's going to be something else because I haven't made it yet. And then I'll put that one in there. But go check that out. shoot a like, spread this to as many people as you can. I want to help as many people as I can. And let's just keep this going. You got this. So in game, right? This is why we're doing this, so you can play this. Look at me, Mom. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.